They say life's a journey, but they never tell you what road you'll find yourself on. And for some of us, we found ourselves leaving those roads behind. It's an unexplainable sense of freedom. The sensation of soaring through the sky, the heavenly views, and the feelings of speed and altitude that give you an adrenaline rush unlike any other. And that's why people come back year after year. Since the creation of the click patch, click bonds assembly solutions have become an indelible part of the aerospace industry, from hobby and commercial aircraft to spacecraft as well. Over the course of our 35-year history, we have established a trusted presence in the defense, marine, and automotive industries. And the best pioneers need bold partners.
Hey, I do these 7 days a week, 24 hours. It did get a little complicated, but there's times when it falls at the bottom of the line, the truck, the tailpipe, the stall.
June 14th, 1775, the United States military was born. And ever since that day, men and women have protected this country to preserve our freedom. The military stands as a shield of honor, made up of brave men and women who put everything on the line to defend their nation's freedoms. Their sacrifice is the heartbeat of a nation, ensuring that liberty endures and that the flag flies high for generations to come. Over 500,000 people visit this place every year, and rightfully so. It's an experience unlike any other. This place is more than just jet fuel and airplanes. For some, it's their first memory. It's a dream being born. EAA's AirVenture isn't just a place to watch planes. It's also a place to be inspired and to learn. A place to be curious and ask questions. And some will even go on to be the future of aviation. There's a lot to be said about EAA's AirVenture, but most importantly, it created a space to use your imagination and to expand the possible.
Making my way to you, babe. Roller skating on Saturday, my heart aches.